Christy, I guess we've hit a nerve with this paying alimony thing. Here's a text from somebody want to know that if he gets divorced and if he has to pay alimony, is that alimony tax deduction for him?
Good question.
Good question. Well, I got bad news for you, Mr. Texter. It used to be that if you were a man or a woman paying alimony, that was not, if you paid $100,000 in alimony, that was $100,000 of non-taxable income to you. When you paid that $100,000 to your former spouse, that was taxable income to your former spouse. So as that really benefited, or at least it didn't penalize the person that was paying the alimony. They did away with that a few years ago, and as a way to generate additional income taxes with the tax structure. And so now when you're paying alimony, that is no longer a deduction for you. When they passed that new law about alimony and tax deductions, that was not retroactive. So if your order was in place prior to that change in the law, and I think that was a good 2 or 3 years ago, you get this, you get to continue with the old good benefits. It doesn't change you if you had it in place prior to that.